I am Brad Keeler. He is Hyun Nam. Next on Director's Cut, it's another one of our summer shorts. Hello again, everybody, and welcome to another Director's Cut Summer Short. My name is Brad Keeler. I'm the director of the Geo-Institute, and that, of course, is why we call this show Director's Cut. In the summertime, we are having fun-size episodes of Director's Cut. One question, one great answer. My one reminder, if you don't know anything about the Geo-Institute, head over to geo-institute.org, and there you will find out that we are a technical society with about 12,000 members, most of whom are geotechnical engineers and or geologists. Joining us this week, all the way from Korea, it is Hyun Nam from the University of Central Florida. Boo, are you ready for your one question?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Who was your first engineering hero?
All right. So first of all, greeting from Korea, from Seoul. My first engineering hero is Ken Stoki. Yeah. So let me give you why. I was born in Korea and grown up, and then 2003 I finished my college and I moved to the United States and Austin, Texas. I started working at Texas as master program and PhD program there. So unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to work in industry. So I didn't have a chance to work in the practitioner works, but whole time in academia. But anyway, there are a lot of great teachers in the UT Austin. I'm graduate at one of alumni. Good word. Anyway, but my hero is not based on the depth of knowledge and quality of research. No, this is based on like the way we live and the way we communicate with people and the way we work. And there's one faculty, Ken Stoki, Professor Stoki. He always said, "No problem." If you go to his office and the backside of his desk, and there is the bookshelves, and one section there is a small toy and a souvenir, and it says "No problem." So I worked with him about 8 years, my master and PhD, and the "no problem" is the most frequent word from his mouth. And then whenever he brings some challenging words and aside to me, and also when you have a really the hard project and new project, even some new project, probably he didn't have a previous experience, and his attitude is always "no problem." So one time we sat and he talked about the new project, and he asked me to work on it, and then at the end, "No problem, do right," and then wink at me, and then I'm okay. So kind of this attitude and make the other people more optimistic and energetic. So that is one thing I learned from him. And so this year, geo-congress in Charlotte, North Carolina, I met him, and he's, I believe, around the 78. That age, he's still working very energetic and hard. And I was told that he got a new student, PhD student. That means he's gonna stay longer than what we expect, right? In Korea, professor job, we gotta retire. It's mandatory at 65. But the working until around 80, that energetic. So that is a really good model and a good attitude to me. So that helped me a lot when I was working in University of Central Florida. So now, the most frequent word from my mouth to my students and project manager is "no problem." So so now I have an attitude of "no problem." So that's why I consider Ken Stoki, my advisor, as my first engineering hero.
That is fantastic, and I always think of him as the funniest GI member we have. Do you have a favorite joke that he told over the years that kind of sticks out to you?
Oh yeah. So during the Geo-Congress conference, so there was the John Louis, Professor Briod, and Professor Ken Stokey were there, and then we talked, and then Professor Stokey mentioned that there was the guest who graduated from Texas A&M, and then he visited my office, and there's something I lost. So who is the one who took my souvenir, and then look at the Professor Briod, and then they laugh to each other. Always the A&M and UT Austin. So we are good friends, and also we are kind of teasing to each other. Yeah. So I love his joke still. This year.
That's fantastic, and what a positive influence he must be on generations of students who now, like you, have gone on to excellent, impressive careers in the field. So, Boo, that was a fantastic answer. And to all our viewers, if you enjoyed what you saw, and I think you did because you're here at the end, stick around because we'll have more Director's Cut shorts throughout the summer. And we will see you all with another one very soon. Director's Cut is a production of the Geo-Institute. To learn more about the Geo-Institute, visit geo-institute.org. For more great content, check us out on YouTube. I'm Brad Keeler. See you next time.